I am having a bad day. Yep, hindi magandang araw ko ngayon, no? And that's the reason why we're gonna watch this video. That's the reason why we're gonna watch this video, no? So we're going to watch Mahalima or SB19 moments to watch when you're having a bad day. This is from the channel 18 Mahalima. Yeah, this is going to be another try not to laugh. Let's see, no? I mean, the last time we just lose straight up, no? Talon-talo tayo doon, no? But I mean, today I'm even though we're having a bad day, no, we're going to try not to laugh. Tingnan natin, no? Tingnan natin kung if hindi ako matatawa because I have a bad day today, no? So let's get it. Ang tuwa naman yun. The iconic song. We have the iconic song again. Wag mong ay. The time. I'm sorry. Wait, what? Okay. Hindi siya counted. Nawala sa isip ko. Oh, man. Nawala sa isip ko na we're doing a try not to laugh. Whoa. Okay. So, I mean, okay. So, ano yan? Bonus yun. Bonus round. No? Bonus. Di pa yun counted. Now, we have 3 lives. Bonus yun. Di yun counted. Ang daya, no? Di yun counted, no? But yeah, totoo na nga naman. Totoo naman yung logic ni ano din doon, no? Ni Justin, no? Kasi dalawa lang naman 'yan, no? Either wala sa timing yung yung pianist or wala sa timing yung singer, di ba? Dalawa lang naman 'yan.
Nakita ko si Mikey Mouse. Mikey Mouse. Nakita ko si Goofy. Ay, Mikey.
Okay, wait. Seems like we are forgetting that we're doing a try not to laugh. Okay. Okay. There. I'm good.
Next challenge, everyone.
A few moments later. Meanwhile.
Help me!
Okay. I was about to say something kasi baka matawa ako sa sarili kong Cinderella style ship. Ganun. Bagong lahig na pa to. Estelita. Oh yeah, I mean, if you think about it, yung character niya dito sa I assume Showbreak to, right? 'Di ba? Like it's a story of Cinderella as well. Parang doon siya inspire kung maalala niyo, 'di ba?
Habang nagpupusap ka, cut me well tonight. Hey, boo!
Why is it?
The edit is killing me. The edit is killing me. Yung mga tao na up, down, tapos up, nag-push up. I'm sorry, yung babaw ko naman dun. Okay, so 2 lives. Okay, dalawa pa naman. Ah, uh, we are 1 minute. 1 minute 41 seconds. God, man. Why is it always me? Okay. Um, isang laugh lang yun ah. Isang laugh lang yan kasi isang joke lang naman to eh. Isang buong...
Who is me?
Truth or dare?
Dahil nakatapang ako, dare ako!
Maghanap ka ng isang Pilipino, lapitan mo, tapos sabi mo, lalo ka na!
Man, Showbreak 5 is just the GOAT, man. Showbreak 5 is just the GOAT. You guys remember nung nag-live ako nun? Very first live ko, nag-Showbreak 5 tayo. Grabe yung tawa ko nun. No, kinabag ako after ng live na yun. Legit. Showbreak 5 is just the GOAT, man. The GOAT. I feel like Showbreak 5 yung pinaka-paborito kong Showbreak sa lahat ng season ng Showbreak. No? Like, everything is on Showbreak 5 kasi. Like, the challenges, the laughter, the emotion, right? So far kasi itong Showbreak 6 para sa nagiging nagiging siyang I don't know, hindi siya yung kasi sobrang busy nila, naintindihan natin, hindi sila ganoon ka parang hindi nila parang pinaka-priority yung sa Showbreak, 'di ba? It's like paano sabihin to? I mean, hindi naman talaga nila priority yung Showbreak in the first place, no? Pero iba kasi yung dati, no? Iba yung mga dating Showbreak. Hindi kasi sabi ko. Ngayon kasi, maintindihan mo kasi busy sila. So, that's the reason why, no? I mean, may isang Showbreak ngayong season na sobrang lupit, no? Yung sila, parang racing sila. Which is, parang pinagtuunan talaga nila ng panahon, yung Showbreak na yun. You know what I'm saying? But Showbreak 5 is just a GOAT. I'm sorry, I have one live. And we're still in 1 minute. No, di ba tayo tumatagos ng 2 minutes? So, isang buhay na lang ako. We have to...
Help me! Help me!
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Mine is old but gold.
Bakit lahat Showbreak 5? Bakit lahat Showbreak 5? Why? I feel like pag Showbreak 5, parang sure lose na ako eh. Sure lose na ako pag Showbreak 5.
Braces? Kasi 7 years na ako makabrace. Tama ka, may gold ka. Tulit ito. Pramso kasi. Kuha nila lang, wag nila tayo.
Hindi kayo ba to para mag...
Ba talaga siyang chicken dyan. Pablo's Horror Story.
Since we're talking about astral projection, kasi na-experience ko rin yung astral projection na sobrang takot na takot talaga ako.
You just
May
watched this
training
as well.
tayo nun. May training tayo. Tapos, syempre, laging maaga yung training natin. Hindi pala training, parang may event tayo niyan. Maaga tayong kailangan na sa Tapos akala ko gumising na ako. Nananaginip pala ako nun. Gumising na ako na maaga. Hindi ko alam kung nananaginip ako or gising ako. Pero gumising ako na maaga, syempre prepare ako. Tapos pasok ako, sumakay na ako jeep. Tapos walang tao dun sa jeep. Tapos may nafe-feel ako
Parang hindi natin ito napanood nung nag-live tayo, no?
kakaiba na nakinikilabutan talaga ako. Kasi parang may nafe-feel akong something na may malamig.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Eh di nasa na ako.
Counted ba yan? Hindi. Huwag natin count yun. Hindi naman ako tumawa talaga eh, di ba? I'm supposed to be having a bad day. But I got the giggles already. Shit.
Natatae ka.
Sabi
The ass and then trowel. This edit is fucking killing me, man.
shoes.
No, no, not specifically these. Whisper challenge, hindi ito. Ito. One life na lang ako. Yung thought pa lang ng whisper challenge, tatawa na ako eh. Yung, alam mo yung thought pa lang, naaalala mo pa lang yung nangyayari, natatawa ka na. Oh man. Man, we are what? 3 minutes? Come on, wala pa tayo sa kalahati.
Shoes. 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 Juice. Shoot.
Ayaw na, man. Talo na tayo. Talo na tayo. Natalo agad. Sumuko na agad. You know? Bumigay na agad. Actually, Justin dun. Lasing ang puta. Lasing.
Juice.
Shoot.
Lasing ang putik. Nakakurot eh.
Sa Espanya. Ngayon.
Okay, so it's time for you guys to also comment down below kung anong oras kayo during our video na natawa kayo, na naubos yung lives nyo, no? And again, if naubos yung lives nyo, you have to, if you're not, still subscribe. I mean, please consider subscribing.
Live sa New York! May pangyayaring nagaganap. Stella Hero, ibalita mo!
Delay pa yun.
Welcome to Showbiz Happenings. This is Stel. Ngayong araw. Ngayong araw, ang araw ng...
Kita ko rin, Stel, na meron daw nomination ng SB19 sa Billboard. Maaari mo bang i-explain kung anong meron sa nomination sa Billboard? Wow!
Ganyan taga ng humor ni ano yun, no? Ni Stel. Ang masa.
Stella Hero?
Tama ka dyan. Ito.
Magbabalik po tayo. Babalikan natin si Stella Hero. Marami na po.
Few moments later.
At nagbabalik po ulit si Stella Hero.
Start na po. Rolling na. Okay. Rolling. Okay. Ay, hindi mo pala yun.
Ay, hallelujah! Ay,
Hallelujah.
kamali lang ako, sabi ko hallelujah.
Flashback.
At ang mga endeavors namin, Lord. Ay, Lord.
Jump ito, hotdog!
Ay, ito na naman tayo.
Tragedy!
This one, man.
Gravity!
Human tragedy. Human tragedy.
Cavity! Cavity!
Gravity. Gravity.
Rabidi.
Rarity. Rarity.
Rarity. Rarity.
Oh.
Who's the first person to hit the dance floor?
Try playing music right now. You'll be hyped up.
Stop it.
Play music right now and we will hype him.
I might actually dance.
From the top, make it drop. That's a wet.
If you guys remember, yung palag na palag si Pablo sa sa ano yun? Yung sa ano nila to? Sa segment nila sa showbreak na ganito na tawag dito? Random dance play. 'Di ba? Yung mayroong nag-comment nga na ano.
Tama ba? Sa pantalon bago ka pumasok sa practice.
Oo, tama.
Tama ba? Na-emo ka dati.
Oo na lang.
Tinan mo nga yung mata ko.
Kulang na. Beep, 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 beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Man, ang daming classics ng Showbreak, no? Ang daming classics ng Showbreak. Like, memes, from clips to memes, man. I miss Showbreak. I don't know. You know what? Ngayong nakahabol tayo Showbreak, I don't know why. Nagmadali tayo. No? I don't know. Nabigla ko nalungkot tuloy. Like, I mean, every day before, no, I'm looking forward to watch Showbreak. No, kasi alam kong merong episode pa na hindi ko napapanood. Ngayon, I mean, we're just waiting, no?
Alam ko yung mga issue mo sa buhay. Alam mo ano.
Kawawa ka naman sa karir mo.
A few moments later.
Salamat sa info ah.
Kay Josh pala galing.
Siya kasi nagsabi lahat.
Eh, kung sabuhin ko kaya yung mukha mo dito.
Siya, si Johnny lang. Kaya sa Johnny lang,
Nakabahan lang ako dun sa follow all social media platforms kasi tumataas na yung Instagram natin.
Oh?
Pag umabot ng...
Ng 1 million, di ba? Di ba, parang ano yan, maghuhubad ka ba doon?
Hindi naman.
Ano sabi mo doon?
Kailangan daw magkaroon na ng abs si Pablo.
Alam mo,
Flashback.
Oh, yeah.
Pag nag 1 million followers daw kami, magpapag-giveaway daw si Pablo ng merch.
Bigay daw si Pablo ng t-shirt sa dulo ng concert.
Yun!
T-shirt, ibabato niya.
End of flashback.
Alam mo ba't dumadami yung followers natin? Kasi pinagdasal ko siya kay Lord.
First namin, Lord.
Ay, Lord.
What?
There's more to see that can never be seen. More to do that can never be done. There is far
May mga hayop. May mga hayop.
There is far too much
So, ito yung behind... Okay, sinabi na pala behind the scenes.
taken here.
Like, for different repertoire, for people
Repertoire.
to experience that roller coaster.
Meanwhile,
Micromanaging the whole process.
Michael. Pinalagan, no? Pinalagan ng mga big words. Oh.
Experience. Like, for different repertoire, for people to experience that roller coaster.
meanwhile,
Micromanaging the whole process.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
Love, spread love.
Yes, paano yung love, paano yung love, paano yung love?
Alam mo yun, yung spread love.
Nabitin naman ako doon. I mean, yung last part sana, no? I mean, hindi siya nakakatawa. Cute na siya yung dating yung last part. Natalo tayo dun sa pinaka-umpisa. Gali. Whatever the struggles or challenges they're going through right now, let's let them know we are here for them, because I know they have done the same for many of us by inspiring us through their music and their story. 18, let's send them lots of love and prayers. Let's go. All right. Well, again, that is Mahalima or SB19 moments to watch when you're having a bad day. Man, I guess I don't have a bad day now anymore, no? Yeah. I mean, effective, no? But at the same time, we lose again. Natalo na naman tayo. Again, comment down below. Anong oras? During the video na naubos din yung lives nyo, no? But aside from that, that's our video for today, no? I hope nagustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo mag-react sa video yung artist, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.